What's going on, everyone? Dan the Man here. So today I'm actually going to be doing a little bit of a pressure test on the radiator after flushing it out. I want to make sure that it's sealed up and that nothing is actually going to leak from it before I go putting it in and having to replace it anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and put this, hook this up to street pressure. I'll show you exactly how I got that done. I got a little gauge hooked up at the bottom here. I'm going to fill it with water first so that way that it doesn't have any risk of explosion. But I got the radiator all propped up. I have a water line connected. I have my gauge down here. Hopefully the zip ties hold up. But first I'm going to remove the cap and fill it up with water. See it. We're going to keep an eye on our gauge here, and we're going to bring it up with street pressure. It will work. But this cap, I believe, is for 14 pounds, something like that. Either way, I'm only going to bring it up to 10. Check the leaks. So far, so good. A little bit at a time. I'm gonna let it sit at 10. It is leaking earlier. I'll have to find some clamps to put around this. It's dripping. I'll find some clamps to put around there. Alright. So we are now starting the pressure test and checking more leaks. I got one here. Make sure that that's tight. See where it's good. Start time lapse.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.
Alright, well, it seems to have held pressure. Everything looks pretty dry. well, the GoPro died, but everything is dry. It's held pressure. Like I said, that gauge probably isn't right, but at least there's nothing ruptured into the transmission cooler, nothing else. So I'm gonna safely relieve pressure off of the petcock down here, because, you know, Tavarish vehicles have these. Jesus had a little groove in it, which will allow the coolant to start flowing out, and the O-ring, which seals it. I'm Dan the Man. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so we can get a little bit closer every single time I post a video to getting this motor started, so that way we can see if my rebuild actually worked. Because I have no idea if this motor is going to run. No clue. Yeah, radiator's all flushed. I just have to finish plumbing in some stuff, get this a little secured, make sure my pulleys are all set. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye.